Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and here we are on the 1st of March. It is new Digikit time, so these are the Digikits for March. I'm going to go ahead and show you these. This is going to be a short video because I wrenched my back and I can't craft right now, so I'm just going to show you these, and so you at least can get a peek at them. And I will pick up with you again on Friday. Hopefully all will be well by then, but this first one is called Winter Wonderland. And Digikits are printables. They're computer files that you purchase from me on my Etsy shop, and you get 5 pages of very interesting themed pictures that you can use and cut up in your for your junk journals in your in different themes, like many different pictures here related to a wintry theme. I just had these. I thought I love these pictures. I forgot that I gathered them, so I thought I better get them out. While some of us folks still have snow, and you're welcome to use these in your artwork and for sale. If you want to sell your junk journals with these pictures in them, the only thing I ask is that you don't actually just print out these images and sell them as they are. But other than that, yes, have fun. Make lots of money. Enjoy yourself. Play. They're meant to be used and have fun by you. So that was Winter Wonderland. The next one is called, and I have 5 kits to show you. The next one is called Herbs and Plants. Yeah, that was a fascinating title. You can kind of tell I wasn't up to snuff, but the pictures are. So these are beautiful old illustrations of herbs and plants. It said they were all herbs, but some of them looked like plants to me, so I called it Herbs and Plants. I wasn't 100% sure. But they're all very pretty if you like to do nature-themed or botanical-themed or herbal-themed Digikits. This is a fun kit just for that. Did I get 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm missing a page. 5. But there are 5 pages total. Maybe it's at the back here. Am I hiding it for myself? Probably. Yep, there it is, number 5. Okay. And they're all different images. Very pretty herbs and plants. Would even go well in a lightly neutral journal. And the next one is called Classic Antiquity. And this is pictures of beautiful ladies from very olden times. Some are Greek, some are Roman, some are English. But they're all just absolutely lovely images of ladies of all different walks of life, and just from olden times. They were all gorgeous, and I thought I'd coalesce them all together in this particular Digikit called Classic Antiquity. And I just thought they were so pretty. We could have so many fun uses for these. A romance one, an old-fashioned antique one, maybe one themed about stories around different olden times, things like that. Just gorgeous, gorgeous images. And I wanted to bring them to life for you to be enjoyed and honored again. Classic Antiquities. Okay, there you go. Second to the last. This one is called Flora and Fauna. This is a beautiful collection of different plants, animals, eggs, marine life, mushrooms. There's some savanna animals. Let's see what else we have in here. Here's more marine life. So there's some fruit. So here's some flowers. It's a nice variety of different plants and animals. So if you like plants and animals, this might be a fun thing to have in your collection. Here's vegetables. Looks more like birds, more bird eggs. I love those bird egg ones. And more nautical water life, sea creatures, ocean creatures. Oh, hello, printer. Printer is talking to me for some strange reason. Is it a duplicate? No, I'm imagining things. Okay. And here's some flowers here. That's a pretty one. And some insects. I don't know, is an insect a fauna? I don't know, probably around coral. You know, there's some crossover here, but they're all beautiful images. And the last one, Flowery Times. And this is just a very simple collection of some very beautiful floral images from old books, old texts, different sized images so that you can cut them out and use them in different ways. And they are just so darn pretty that they needed to come to life in a Digikit. So if you like these images but you don't like printing, or you don't have a printer, I have a print and mail service where I will print 10 Digikits out for you. That gives you 50 printed pages. And all you need to do is buy the print and mail option. It's a one flat fee. It gets you free priority shipping as well. And all you need to do is either Etsy message me or email me your list of 10 Digikit names. I only need the first 2 or 3 words, and I'll figure out what one you mean. You can also say surprise me, or send me birds and butterflies, or Victorian and, you know, Monet or something like that. You can give me categories, and I can also fill that for you that way. So there you go. Those are the selections for March 2023. Let me see if little Mr. Snuffers has anything to say. Hold on. Okay, he has appeared.
Hello everybody, Sunshine here. I need another face wash. Mom's been slacking, but we're doing our darndest. And I told Mom she's got to lay down on the couch for a while and get rid of that back pain. And then she can craft. We all got to take care of ourselves. Remember, crafting. It wasn't a crafting injury. It was...
Tell them what it was.
Well, Mom got out of bed and went into the bathroom. And then she opened a cupboard and she reached down to get something. And, well, there's something over there I have to look at. Look at these beautiful Digikits. Boy, they're amazing. They're really good. Way to go, Mom. Sunshine? Sunshine? You're on the job. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Okay, so anyway, she bent over and she yelped. Yep. There was a yelp noise. And it wasn't from me. It was from Mom. And, well, there you go. That's that story. So we're recovering over here. I'm taking very good care of her. Making her soup. Rubbing her back. Well, that's about it. Mom, I'll draw you a warm bath. How about that?
Okay, thanks, son. I appreciate that very much. All right. I think that's good. We can wrap it up, baby.
Okay. Happy crafting, everybody.
All right. Okay. Gotta put you down. This could not be easy. Can you just jump? No, it's too far. Okay, hold on. Okay, he's down. All right, he's fine. Okay. So thank you for everybody who has been here. For those of you who are new, who do not know, I have a free monthly email newsletter. The link is down below in the description box. If you sign up for that, every month you'll get a free digital image emailed to you, a checklist of supplies to keep your eyes open for while you're collecting junk journal things, a note from the bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it, and you can change the wording or the size or the text and all that kind of stuff. I'll give it to you in different formats so you can play with it, you wizards out there with technology skills, which is beyond me. My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays. I know. Who on earth would have a podcast about junk journaling? Apparently I do. I talk about junk journals, paper crafting, life of a crafter, and answering your crafty questions. On every day, you can find video podcasts on Spotify, so you might want to check that out. You can watch and listen. And I have an Etsy shop where I sell Digikits, which are these things. And I also sell FUNDLEs, which are collections of old and interesting paper, which I can never seem to find one close when I need one. I also have the print and mail service. Now, I have an Amazon shop, so if you see me using interesting tools or supplies or something like that, I try to put the links in there so you can also access these things. It does help my shop, but you do not pay more for the items if you use my links. So thank you, everybody, who has used my links. I have a merchandise shop, which is basically a t-shirt shop. If you like the phrase "create with reckless abandon" or "everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise," you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. And you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group, the Paper Outpost Facebook group. We're having lots of fun doing weekly and monthly challenges and seeing what you guys make from these videos. So, just remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. And I'm going to go lay down on the couch. Hope you guys are having fun. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.